Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover statement. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover case statement. We can use case if expression. That is case when expression, then statement, else statement, and. Or, we can use case switch expression. That is case expression, when value, then statement, else statement, and. In the next program, I am going to cover if statement. Syntax is if expression, then statement, else if expression, then statement, else statement, and if. In the next program, I am going to cover null statement. We can pass control to next statement using null statement. In the next program, I am going to cover loop statement. We can start loop with loop statement with optional label, and we can break out of loop using exit command, or we can use exit when condition to break out of loop, and we can end loop using end loop with optional label. In the next program, I am going to cover continue statement. We can exit from current iteration and continue with next iteration using continue statement, or using continue when condition statement. In the next program, I am going to cover go to statement. We can use go to statement to transfer control to specified label. In the next program, I am going to cover for loop statement. Syntax is optional label. For index, in optional reverse keyword, lower bound to upper bound, loop. Statements. And loop with optional label. In the next program, I am going to cover while loop statement. Syntax is optional label. While condition loop. Statements. And loop with optional label. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.